Hi, today we'll start working on the summer maintenance. So we need to change the oil of the gear, oil of the engine, gearbox checkup and filters, air filter and the rest of the most important parts of the car. Good morning. Kindly let me know what we are doing today with the car.
Right now, we need to change the upper control arm and lower control arm.
What's the reason we need to change them?
The reason to change them for the proper alignment of the tire, and then giving stability for the car also, and also for the movement of the car for the lower arm.
Okay, and any symptoms for people to understand that they need to replace them?
Mostly the symptoms is those rubbers, it's cracked. Also the ball joints is cracked. So if it's cracked, we need to replace them. Yeah.
Okay, now a quick question. What are the things that you recommend to replace during summertime or before we start the summer?
Mostly, number one is the AC. We need to check all the components of the AC system because summertime is too hot here in Dubai, so we need to check everything on the AC system. Oil, coolants, everything, like a full checkup before summertime comes.
Fantastic. Thank you.
Thank you.
Summer is about to start and I just made a major service for my car and it's very well needed. But you have to also do the same for your car beginning of the summer. So now I'm with one of our partners and sir, can you tell me what did you bought for my car?
Yeah, we do prepare your car for maintenance, and we found some leaks, so it's a seal. Okay, we have to fix the oil leaking, and coolant is needed to be flushed and changed. Then the brake fluid, we flush the brake fluid also. Then tensioner we change because it's required to be changed. It's in the maximum preload already. Then maintenance only for the cars.
Dr. Car Channel and mobile application are the best.